Morning, I'm Michael Ambat from Philippines. I'm 31 years old and I'm a CNC machinist specialized in CNC plasma, CNC milling, CNC lathe. I had 10 years experience handling various types of CNC machines. I started my career way back 2004 here in the Philippines. I worked from a Japanese company, a precision toolings company, specialized in jigs and fixtures. Learned different type of machines, CNC machines. After 4 years, I was transferred Greatech, Philippines Incorporation. I'm a hardworking employee. I'm a fast learner and I love challenges. Again, I'm Michael Ambat. Thank you very much.